Are you part of an e-scooter startup looking to map out a clear path to success? Welcome to our online Whiteboard collaborative interactive services, your key to envisioning a complete roadmap for your venture. With our cutting-edge online Whiteboard platform services, your team can collaborate in real time, brainstorm ideas, strategize, and visualize the future of your e-scooter startup, all from one digital canvas. Our services are ideal for planning strategy sessions, SWOT analysis, diagramming, and ideation. Our online whiteboard is the ultimate solution to boost team collaboration and foster creativity among your team members. From mapping out fleet expansion to optimizing rider experiences, our interactive services empower you to craft a tailored roadmap that propels your e-scooter startup toward growth and success. Join us on this collaborative journey towards innovation and transformation. Embrace the power of our online Whiteboard collaborative interactive services and revolutionize the way you plan and envisage your e-scooter startup's roadmap. Visit our website www.gleem.com today to learn more about how our online Whiteboard services can elevate your e-scooter planning experience. Let's navigate the future together, one digital stroke at a time. Transform your e-scooter startup with our online Whiteboard collaborative interactive services. Your roadmap to success starts here. Welcome to the world of micromobility, where small vehicles are making a big impact on urban transportation. Let's dive into the numbers and see how this trend is reshaping our cities. Do you know that by 2030, it's estimated that the global micromobility market will reach a value of over $200 billion? This exponential growth is driven by the demand for eco-friendly transportation solutions in densely populated areas. Studies show that micromobility options, such as e-scooters and electric bikes, can reduce carbon emissions by up to 60% compared to traditional car trips. With increased awareness of sustainability, more people are turning to micromobility for their daily commutes. In 2020 alone, the number of e-scooter trips taken globally surpassed 200 million, with a significant portion of users reporting that they replaced car trips with micromobility options. This shift not only reduces traffic congestion but also promotes a healthier lifestyle. According to data, cities that have embraced micromobility solutions have seen a reduction in traffic accidents and fatalities. By providing safer alternatives to cars, micromobility is enhancing urban safety measures and improving overall transportation infrastructure. With the rise of shared e-scooter and bike services, surveys indicate that a substantial percentage of users have integrated micromobility into their daily routines, citing convenience, cost-effectiveness, and environmental benefits as key factors driving this transition. As we witness the evolution of urban transportation, it's evident that micromobility is not just a trend but a sustainable solution for modern cities. Join the movement towards greener, more efficient mobility options and be a part of shaping the future of urban transportation. Explore the world of micromobility, where every ride counts towards a cleaner, more connected urban environment. Embrace the stats, embrace the future.